If you want to delete your Swiggy account permanently, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account is removed from the platform. Step 1. Open the Swiggy app. Launch the Swiggy app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu option in the app. Look for the settings or account settings section to find account-related options. Step 3. Find account deletion option. In account settings, scroll down to locate the option for delete account or deactivate account. This may vary slightly based on app updates. Step 4. Confirm deletion. Once you select the account deletion option, you will be prompted to confirm your decision. Read any warnings or information provided, then confirm that you want to delete your account. Step 5. Check for confirmation email. After confirming the deletion, check your registered email for a confirmation message from Swiggy. This email may contain details about the deletion process and any final steps. Once you have completed these steps, your Swiggy account should be permanently deleted. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Swiggy's customer support for assistance.